ATM and show Oduma. We get voice record no send the gume babana dainetana. Oga kan wo mo pe komen ladia. Oge anari ma. Awon manu kin wo to no wedo. Wenu ya we mi awo to no wedo. Okon nu mu ni sane ladia. Oge anari ma wo to no wedo. Awon manu kin wenu ya we ni awo. Wenu ya sote wo to no wedo. Dainetana. O manu we wu welele. We raiti we no we do na ihwe ya no we ohia. That is a book and all black claim. La wo wo. Mwakbeko. Mwikebe. Muladian. Do uonu mweladian. Okpa no evano. Event paper ni. Umana resolve eh. Evani yenu ikena tamawe. We nu sote woto no edo. Asenika o weno. Asenika o weno. Okay, doriye manu. Biariye manu. Who that where? You were planning this all along for you to use it to blackmail me, Princess Obanamen. For me not to ask for the paper for you to resolve my events. You want to bring my ass out? You want to bring my pussy out? That is the voice record you just sent to me. It will show to the whole world how you really are doing well in the Benin Kingdom. It will show to the whole world how responsible person you really are. You understand me, Nena? You have a woman. You have a daughter. You understand me? Please do. Do what you need to do. But it's a promise. If you don't resolve that issue of my land, you understand? What then the next part you say again, I should come, two of us to go and return. To who? To where? Hello? Edoya akpita wa hai. Imagwa ibo daughter. O ebenu ya hioto evoneka. Shema of evoneka. Shema of evoneka. O ya hioto. Ebenu ya hioto. O ya hioto me. Da in the channel. La wo de video no we voice recording no send the gumeba. O ya me with the beladian. Ogu can send there onisame lele ya. If you like, you do. Imado kwanere. Adege mi ni adego keke. No matter about you. It's a matter of time. 100 years not be forever. As far as we momoko, as far as umoko, etiki where am I me on way we there? Am I me on way we there? Oko nu we any we wash out. Omoko nu we any we wash out because even no feed them. Eni agwa no uni where they me 1 year, 2 years, 100 years not be forever. If you can be able to plan those things for years, to use it to blackmail me so that I cannot talk about my events, what more have you not done in this Benin Kingdom? What more have you not done in this Benin Kingdom? If you can be able to bring a woman private part out because he asked for his own to resolve the land he bought from you. La wo go. Oga kon we nu we. Daitana. Eni ya gogo no is that you well. When we you know where tani wa mo e recording. He send the ege lawyer me. Ima ige umana zeyo to ya wu. Unwe gi me Obanamen. Binu tule ri kan tulelo la kherebo. Daitana. Umana zeyo for your entire family. For public disgrace and humiliation. Umana zeyo. We mana zeyo. And now when I wear flesh to flesh, a spiritual way. We may Obanamen. Yes. So na ya fefe no we ga o. Me we plan work ga no. Or see a man sent. It shock you, you know. Eriu me kebeme. Eriu makpiko. Eriu wono na. Oki amwela dia social media. Ni adege wa send the ege man ni adege. Ubata uma bata. A voice recording is said your pen Oketa since last year. Oketa, it showed to the whole world how really responsible person are you. You are among a person that blackmail women's. Okonu lele. Eluya mu yegwa gboto. We try. Oma no me kebe on ri kebi anything. Oma no ma vion ega vion anything. Unless you wear a digital wire or whatever it may be. But for you to have the nerve to say such thing like that, You are not responsible. No. I want to yes. You never know any idea. You never know any idea. The loud and clear message. Loud and clear. If you don't resolve that my issue of my land, you can do what you want to do. You understand it now? Since we can't worry on where you are, but a beneni agreement paper ni, resolve it. See na jege you do. Ha na jege why? Uwe mwegwa gboto. Uwe mwegwa. We tie any and voice recording. He send the egg lawyer. Uda in tana. Don't know my work about here yes your fool. Unu my la moto par yes your fool. Then now we well. When I mean we are here, where what me time when eh? E ma no legal unu me na ya de no we. Ya de no we. Mami on a setting eh. We are again we are no here soon. Eh na barita. One man more the man we get for that matter. E book one now. On see na mana using a gua, na mana using no to no edo. No da we Kenya gua, mi no ma here no wado to no edo. Na so you near Oba wife, na so you near palace, na so you near this, na so you near this. Any ya fe no weu, ne guamaye. See, may you try am. Even though say you bring the nyash, you bring the breast, you bring everything come out. He showed to the whole world the kind of person that did it, that is close to my father. To the whole world that is close to kingdom. That is who you are. Moro ATM machine. Oh, we me and now. Where one ujere emi ya no where you ya fe. Etiki we my from every trader we are doing we doing. Mo pick up money Samuel John who spread the lele and erukai. Who baptize, woman baptize. Anytime at all for you to do such thing like that, the Benin Kingdom, we know the kind of person you really have. A good one now commit atrocity, abomination with no edo. Nana ye egwe, and I do agwe anyhow. Uji egwa na keke na rie negwa, bari negwa. Udu we ATM machine wo Oduma via. Erusi ko wo komba. Eru rie na hin, ige gwa ya no ya fe. Where worry. Mami and us one on a me you wire nune. Ekinu wado for years and years working him me. Uwa tobu watame, ewo, emu wado. Makbiko ladia o, money san ladia o. Onyo, moro ge. Ona wano sike gwa o. Ona wano sike gwa. No can do it. Ekino win ya adona. These are the person that is close to the Benin Kingdom, Oba Palace, Nantana. That is close to my father. That is close to people in the palace. Please bring my private part out. Bring my ass out. Because I asked you to go and resolve the issue of my land that I bought from you, that I'm building my event at Eboneka. It simply means the gods knew everything. You were planning this all along. That is how you do all the old women you were sleeping with money, manipulating them, playing games with them, collecting money, scamming them. For you to have this evil thought in your mind, there are so many more you have been doing in this Benin Kingdom. Hello? Yes, so Princess Obanamen don't talk am. People go know you, who you really be, Omorogie. Who go bad dollar, you bad talk, who go bad dollar, you bad, go. Ye go, la wo mu kebe me mu ladian. Agboya ere mi awa nihin. Oko no be enough your money. Money save mu ladian. Agboya ere mi awa nihin. Omorogie. Oba atok pe, o wa go ba dollar yi. Oba atok pe. Mu ladian o. Ori e mani awo manu weke. There are so many more. There are so many more who will to nowhere dona. Iho ya fe no ya black lemia. So we are ya neru black lemia. Una wado do we can egbe me lepi me no mu we nu we ma ege e bonorewa oye gegege me no he. Umani do what you want to do. Yes, so I do things for reason. Not be saying I go come. I do things for reason. You say I don't want to work. Abi we try. En about it only one more because money san money ya umuladian. Akwe ire ladian you don't analyze e we. E don't know some why adege o. Uda ya friend we lelewe. Uda intana. Ya resolve any event in Ona be communist ona muladia. Ona be amoro ge tinye machine. No we yen go ba dollar roji. Ige yen go ba dollar roji. Oba talk me ego I talk me. Woman ge mami woman na resolve me issue now. Eh? Oh, no matter about you okay. He go sweet oh. Oh, I think where we ya mi we me where dey na fi mu we me la dan bi o mo ni san la dia. Ige no da we yi name ni su say yi. Iri oja no da we a. Ima so se no da we ma oja kate. Ime do help e ma no revo no we yi. Tu trela do ya gani. So who were planning na ya fe. Ona ti aka we wa ri oko. Ade. Lori oko property ne ya no fi we no pe abi. Ute wu na enwe. We muladona ile no wa mu we la wa mu kebe la muladia oge na rin se re owo pe ano mo ko wa no bi omoku odo e kate omoro ge tin e me se no wi yen gbin na ne gwa no sika wo ke baba no sika eri ma ruda wi me ne piso so bana me no ewe no ya resolve e me event yen ona we ruda wa ku ne gbe yen ya mu oni same la dia wa iri ma oge odo ri ma no pe ari ma no ku okpe no ke do we biebie we are team egbodini and all real man okpe ma no ku that means you have been planning it all along why yere mu ni sam wa pe koladian why yere motor me event ni wa resolve it's loud and clear o me o we o ya se go sagbada I think we might many things about you but even you ni na ta o ema no lega no mo ka no na me yo no wo to bo we ke ma no lega we eni o ke do ta magbo ekinu we no moro gi no edo yes ero me sang I'm not a betrayer but I betrayed you no man go free either I will live video for ba and na lawa na we ni so una send me a message via WhatsApp o we me get ape komen oni same eri na kin wa mo ya latian Odoriyema, there are so many things you have been doing in this Benin Kingdom. Iko no rewebo eki onuedo. But ogi many pisoso ba ma wo to we rogo me hiata. Wa pe koladia o, money saladia o, omoro ge ATM machine. No we go ba dollar roji oba ga talk me. No sike gwa. Oko no gu mobo ona ya hin otere no kelele ma ya hin ona do hin princess Obanamen that time we no ya resolve motor ni o we ya go ka we ni ya resolve motor ni ona we ya mu ni san ya mu apeko ya mu la janu da we igo e wo se ni ge ninu ya ne emi me na kemi apeko na kemi oni san we mu la dian but u ga mu la dian ihe ta ma we ya go boyo no matiebo. I'm a very straight for somebody. He can't wear without wearing in Tasso, no man. He don't wear muladian. Uga muladian. No matter about you, okay. Umo. I think where you too rugged, you too bad. You too bad. You too bad. Not think like that. You don't say that your woman where you did there, that your daughter where you did there. Not just say now let you want to be men. If you try, you go collect. Not be saying I go come. You they do pass yourself because I ask for what belong to me. Oba talk me, ego talk me, usika wokon ba, usika egua, una we muda we name me, una we muda we egana ya kunegbe, uga record ni ya fefefe, mumie ye ya blackmail me sikame, nige name me, fa. If you don't resolve my issue, give me the issue, agreement paper egualo. Agreement paper equal. Omoro getting if you have been selling fake land to other people, you will give me you will resolve my land to me. You will resolve the paper. You will resolve it to me. So that is how you do women, you know, forging and using their own private part to be blackmailing them. A woman you sleep with, you understand, and you have a woman at home. What makes you think men will not go there? You they learn. What makes you think men will not go for your wife and your daughter? You they learn. What makes you think men, real capable men, quality, you know, that fight for real will not go for your wife or your daughter? Try 1 year, now 2 years, not be forever. 100 years, not be forever. Ask yourself, if you can be able to do such thing, watch out. Because what comes around goes around. Whatsoever a man sow, he will repeat. I'm a senior or has you they learn Oduma via ATM machine. You they learn. Look at what the voice record you just sent to me. If you like, if you say that, I will not ask for my property. If you want to publish it, I will never be happy with you. I always say the truth. I will never in my life be happy with you. And it's a promise. No matter how you forge, you create, you go to reserve that my land to me. Yes, sir. Notice I don't know what thing you do. Everything, even before I travel, you get waiting in play, I know. When I did abroad, get waiting in play, I know. Who were don't motor nowhere doria. Mommy a voice recording no send the rainy. Who carry forward the voice record so booming we doni in a save a yare memory card. One understanding now. Una will be send over a room a kebene, a room a quick of a show a layer. It simply means that is how you blackmail women. Oh, who no wrote on, this is abomination, atrocity you are committing on moral gain in no tono edo, and we were sick or ba talk by open and a gua. Then we get and I get the proof, your record, everything or wrong. That is I get transfer you to another form. Where you just fix all this one where you they do. Live longer. If you don't live long, people where be say you don't do now they around do I go here, and for you and me Obanamen, I go so much deal with you for this planet. If you like, you bring my house, my pussy out because I asked for the paper to resolve for my event. So you were dating me planning all those things in your mind. You understand me? And you think you want to use that to blackmail me. What more have you not done in Benin land? And you are the kind of person that is very famous, that is very close to palace. To our queens. What more are you keeping? What more have you done in that palace? Oduma, very soon you will tell the whole world to do. Don't you dare fuck with me. Don't play games with me. I am the game. You go over, you'll not be here. If you like, you send her for my face. I dey see my nyash. I dey see my pussy. You send her, go give another person. You prove to the whole world because it's already in the whole world. Everybody have seen it. That because I ask for you to go and resolve the event, I am building in your place. You are a fraud. And believe me, if I see anything, when I go my we both can carry lawyer neither. You go regret why you do such thing like that. You got bill you you go regret. I'm a international businesswoman. If you not go school, go learn, go ask. You understand me? Try them. May you see waiting you go. As far as the proof, you don't already talk them. You understand? You don't reach 2 times when you forward that voice record come for me. Either one live video, no way be forward the area. Or man, not when you go back down level. I don't even say. Have you not see? Omoro gating and Monsieur Oduma. Chairman for Voneka community. Chairman for Voneka community. Chairman for Voneka community. ATM machine. Ero side Omoro. The man that I went to a traditional marriage. Because I ask, go and resolve the issue of the land you sold to 3 people that have already reflect on system. What more have you been doing in this Benin Kingdom? There are so many more you have been doing. If the palace does not know all those things, I believe they have already known. Who we are with who we sorted, who we are with a Imagine Shani why I go lock up on them. Who we are with we're not sick of Wokomba. We're not sick of Gua. We're not sick of Wawa. Abomination, atrocity, a woman you date, a woman that you say you have relationship with, because you are scammer, you sold a land for 3 people, asking for you to go and resolve the paper. You say you want to bring that person private something house. You understand me? It showed to the whole world how really responsible you are. And where you or where worry. I think where 100 years not be forever. You dey miss road. I swear, you dey miss road. You dey miss road well. You dey miss road. I should talk and so anywhere at all. I see those things. I know where they come from. You understand? Agwa aye. La wo take where we are tenaya one thing or the other. Who will make her vat in email like see yes. And I had one son, and I do me away. Miss me. Here we no come here, Mamma. Who will make her vat in email? I had a bonado gioma no say times 100. Knowing the value of a powerful and a strong woman, a woman that walk like a man, a woman that know that is good to bring something to his home, to Ebonoje. I don't be miyako a woman own afwanji. Okpia knowing the value of an okoya, okono winave na okpia. There, okpia knowing the value of Mama, you fuck up big time. Oh, wait in again. My walking about la motor see your phone. And now you are lying on top of your teeth. Lying on top of your teeth. See, 100 years not be forever. Only my way where it's finished, it's finished, it's finished. Go and resolve the issue yourself. Wait till you play. Wait till you play for that family for years and years. See, if you mess with me, you go here woto. Why why you ya lige ya fe why trapa bi ko ya hani em your boss em your weze no to run back to you you have been trying for years and years and years o ma gba enu e ene kan le gba enu e metin enu ireti ni ka be to ba so we to ba fun work by a rugged guy who you dey learn remake they will be say they not dey find trouble if you betray them. Not be saying a year, everywhere go secure. You are a betrayer. Who were you, man? There? Who even do work for you? You go use another way to clean that mess. My beg away. You say I not get another high. Who even do work for you? You go use another way. Take clean mess. Make that one way do work for you. Make it not get mad to talk. Come on. You be again. You dey learn. You don't know anything. Real men not they play like that. Not they. You are a betrayer. A real man not they betray your fellow men. A real man not they betray woman where be say you don't lie on top. Yes, and they talking loud and clear. You they learn. That's why they tell you say before Abraham they were men. You get woman for us. No matter how your boys go follow your woman or your daughter anywhere at all. You understand me? If I see anything of my nyash or my vagina outside, may you know 100 years not be forever. You understand me? You get woman. Yes. You get woman and you get daughter. Not to say you too gallant, you they learn. Who eat bellyful, who they operate in a good way, not they talking nasty and dirty. I go bring out the evil like the whole world go really know who you be.